guys, it's Lydia. If you're new here, hi, welcome to my channel, and if you're not, then welcome back to another of my videos. And in today's video, I am back with another what is in my bag. I haven't done one of these, I think, since last winter. I always love filming these. I love every time I get a new bag, just showing you guys kind of a bag review at the same time as what can fit in it, what I like to have as my essentials for the season. I thought this would be a fun video to start off the spring content with. Now, I got this. And it's kind of a funny story about how. So I am a gold jewelry girl. Like, I always wear like gold necklaces, gold bracelets. It's kind of my thing. I've honestly never bought anything from Coach before. Don't really go on their website ever. Like, when I go out shopping, I'm never like, oh, a Coach bag. I literally ordered this like in my sleep. I must have been like having a dream or something, woke up, ordered this bag, ordered it to my friend's house because I texted her in the middle of the night and I was like, hey, just ordered a bag to your house. And then I woke up and I didn't even realize I had done that. Apple Pay is a dangerous thing, let me just say, because I woke up and that's how I realized I bought this. Would I have ever chosen this bag? Probably not. Would I have ever chosen this silver hardware? Probably not. Do I love it? Yes. Am I keeping it? Absolutely. It's a great staple and it is really great quality, so I am glad I got it. All that to say, great quality bag. I love it. It's actually been my go-to. It's really nice quality. It feels expensive and it goes with most outfits. I will say it's more of like a Y2K style, which isn't my favorite, but it is the perfect size. No, it will never compare to my black Prada bag, but I still like it and it's still a great bag for the price. Inside, so this is what I like to keep in my bag for spring. It's honestly kind of a mess, but it does fit a lot of things. Starting out, I did not like organize this at all. Starting out, I literally always have to have gum in my bag and I always like to have it on like the top of my bag. I always make sure I have my Lululemon card holder in here. I've talked about that card holder a million times. Honestly, if you guys still haven't bought one, you need to because it is the most convenient thing ever. Next is my lip combo. This is essential for me. If I don't have my lip combo, I'm having a bad day. If I have my purse on, I'm probably wearing makeup, so I need my lip stuff. I have my Charlotte Tilbury lip cheat lip liner, a must. Then if I'm not feeling a lip oil with that, I'll do my Gummy Bear Laneige. This is my absolute favorite lip balm. I'm obsessed with it and it's only $20. This is going to be a little updated review on the Summer Fridays lip oil. If you're thinking about buying this, don't. In my opinion, it's very sticky. I've had this for maybe a month. It's basically empty and I've worn it like 5 or 6 times, to be honest. I really am not a fan, but I keep it with me because I bought it and I'm gonna use it. Then kind of along with that, I have just my Dior blush compact. I don't even use really the blush. I just use this in case I need to like fix something. I have my mini deodorant because I never want to smell bad. This is the Native Spiked Eggnog. It doesn't smell like eggnog, it smells like cinnamon. Next is my sunglasses. I absolutely love these. I actually wear glasses 90% of the time, and so these are prescription, so these are really helpful. Then I have a claw clip. I'm obsessed with these, but just a reminder not to use these while you're driving because it's dangerous. Then I have just like a regular hair tie in case I'm like, hey, I want to go to the gym. Something I don't have in here that I need to restock on is I usually have makeup remover wipes, but I used all of them, just the little mini Neutrogena ones. My AirPods, again, in case I'm going to the gym or if I just want to listen to a podcast while I'm grocery shopping or something like that, but I always forget to charge them. I have just some random stevia packets in the bottom of my bag in case I'm going out for coffee or something. I get hangry throughout the day, so I always like to have something. I've had this bar in here for so long because I never actually eat it, but I always like to have something in here in case I'm like going and I'm hangry and I need something. I'll always have something in there. I have a peanut butter bar right now. I always have my little travel perfumes. Usually only have one in there, but right now I've been rotating between the Kayali lychee one, if I'm feeling more of like a fruity, florally scent, or the pistachio if I'm feeling a warmer scent. I was really alarmed when I first got this and it was black because I was expecting the packaging to be like minty. I feel like they advertise it as like a light pistachio green color on the website, and then when I got it and it was black, I was like, oh, what's happening? I do really like these and they last really long throughout the day. Lastly is you have to have a charger. You have to have a charger in your purse. Usually I'd have like a little portable one, but I lost it. It comes in and out of my bag a million times a day. As you can see, a lot fits in this little tiny purse. Everything that fits in this bag. That is gonna be it for this video. I hope I gave you guys some inspiration on what to put in your purse for spring and kind of a helpful bag review for you guys. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post new videos every Wednesday and Saturday, and comment down below what is your essential for your bag. What is one thing you always have in your purse for spring? See you in my next video.